Hello guys, what is up? And today we will be playing some Roblox. Here we go. Wait for it to load up. On full screen. Here we go. By the way, yes, this is on the laptop, so I'm not that good on the laptop. Okay? I'm just telling you. Not that good on the laptop. So, yes, but today I'll be finding an obby for you. Maybe next time you can comment me what you want on Roblox in the chat down below. This is what I hate about this. I'm just gonna sign up. I'm just gonna do this, guys. I'm a beginner YouTuber, so I'll see if I can speed it up for you. See what I can do. See what I can do. 22nd is my birthday. Then could I go back up? Could I go back up? Ugh! My God! I need to go up. Wait, I need to go down. No. This is the one that I want. 2008 I was born in. Boom. Right, just put Robot Jones. That taken? John?
Harrison?
Yeah?
Harrison?
Yeah?
Do you want your melted cheese and egg on a bagel or brown bread?
Bagel, please. I'm sorry about that, guys. That might happen a few times. Robot Sammy. Robot Sam 3. Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Y. Just Y. S, G, J. 7, 10, 11. That better? That better? S, G, J. 7, 10, 11. I'm a man. A person, obviously. Sorry if you thought what I was looking at them. It was just the camera. Guys, first, I need to see my avatar. I need to see my avatar. This is time to check it out. Actually, I feel like man. Do. Right, I'm gonna put the glasses on. Gotta put the thingy on. Actually, I'm gonna put this hair on. I'm actually gonna put just a smile. Right, so gotta put body. No, I said body. Skin tone. Normal color skin. Boom. Now, what else would I like? Would I want a hand like that? No, I would not like a hand like that. But I might like a hand like this. I might want all of this equipped. Boom. I am now a fully person. Now I've improved it. Now we can go on to games. Obby. Escape the witch obby. I don't know if this is an obby. I'm just gonna search it. Oh, it is. Yes. 27 don't like this. I'm just gonna play it. You know why? You know what? I'm just gonna play it. Hopefully it's good. Guys, if this isn't good, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just need those as well. My God. Okay. It's looking okay for now. It's looking alright, right? Or is it looking okay? Or is it looking terrible? Everything's a bit glitchy right now. Oh my God. Whoa, don't touch the black tile. Okay. What the hell? I told you guys I'm a big cringe at this game. Right, how'd you jump? Yes! Can you use the stick to move about, please? Oh, a 9. It's a bit cringy, man. No, guys. I'm terrible at this. I told you I'm terrible on laptop, right? So what I think I'm gonna do is, right now, right here, right now, go on to games again. Not escape the witch obby, because I'm very terrible at it. Because I'm on. Can I move down? Can I move down, please? Please, can I move down? Please, can I move down? Okay. Having a slight problem, but.
Wait a moment, mate.
Okay. Right. Guys. Sorry about this. That was a bit cringy. But you know what? Have a good time. Have a good time. A bit of a cringy video, but what can I say? All I can say is see you guys later.